Welcome back to my channel. I am Yugala. Today we are going to be doing 3 styles that involved some braiding and some twisting. So what I've done to prep my hair, because it's been a bit dry, is I've used some hair oil, and this is the SNI Natural Hair Care Hydrating and Nourishing Oil. I was actually given this in a hair masterclass, so this is like a little travel size version of it, but I literally have to use like the smallest amount, and it nourishes your hair. And you can get 100 ml on their website. It's a little bit expensive. It's about £30 for the bottle, but I can see that if you basically use like one dot of it or one pump of it, it'll basically cover your head. And I have thick hair, and I only had to use one pump. Anyway, so I thought I'd let you know that's what I did. And then I dry shampooed my roots, and I just went through my hair with a straightener at the bottom because my hair was pointing that way and that way and that way. So I just thought, no, let's slick it out so it's all together for the styles. And yeah, so what you will need today is, you might need your hair comb. It's always good to have it just in case. I need some hairpins and some hair ties and maybe some grips, as in the elastic bands, just depending on like what your preference is for your braids. And I think that's about it. Obviously, if you're going out and you wanted the style to stay in for an event, you can put some hairspray in and any other sort of product that you feel like would work for your hair. I'm doing this more for a day-to-day look, so I haven't really used any other products. So before we get started, you know the drill. There's a like, share and subscribe, and I would super appreciate it. So we are going to start, and we are going to do a French braid, but we're just going to do it on one side. So the reason why, obviously you don't have to do this, you can kind of like take pieces of hair as you go, but the reason why I like sweeping it all to one side is so I remember to take all my hair in. Otherwise you can be left with some random pieces. So we'll start at the top, and you just split it into 3. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So it's simple. You just bring this layer over the middle layer, and then the middle layer down, and then you bring the top layer over the middle layer up. And let's take that down. So we do bring the middle layer, the bottom layer to the middle, bottom layer to the middle, and then from here I will start adding hair in. So you just grab as much as you want, to be honest. Grab about a little bit, add it to the top layer, bring that to the middle, middle to the top, grab, go to the middle, and we just do this all the way down. One thing I would say, a tip here I guess, is to make sure that your braid sits nicely. Follow the shape of your head. Like some people will just do the braid and they'll just like do it down here, but if you actually follow the shape of your head, it'll really, really complement your face. So all you have to do is basically just keep, because basically this is like an arm workout, so your arms will make you want to just like drop forward because you want to relax it, but if you just keep and maintain your arms up, it'll be a nice workout for your arms, and your style will thank you too. And if you want to, depending on like how loose obviously you want it to be, just make sure you're tightening your hair as you go, and also making sure like when you get to a certain point that you don't forget about pulling the hair from here. So we'll just carry on. And then you just grab one of the elastics and tie your hair. And then you just go through your hair. I like having a bit of a boho look, so I'm happy if there's like a little bit out. And then it's completely up to you. This is the braid. And then you can obviously leave the braid as it is, or if you want to like plump up the braid, just pull it out a little bit. And if you have like little layers sticking out that you feel like, oh, I want those tucked away, then you can just go through with your bobby pins and then pin those in. So this is braid number 1. And you can do this in a Dutch braid, which I have done a video for on my Instagram, which you basically do it's exactly the same technique, but instead of going over with your hair, you go under with your hair. So the next style we're going to do is a twisted ponytail, and this is so quick, it is so simple, and you can do it for so many different occasions. You can do it for your day-to-day, you can get some accessories and put them in and just make it look really, really nice for wherever you're going. So all you need for this is hair grips, and if you have accessories then you can put some accessories in, and that's it. So I have my hair grips at the ready. So all you need to do is grab your hair into like a low ponytail and just lift it just above the nape of your neck. And then what we're going to start doing is twisting. So I'm going to twist and twist, and then try one more, twist, just until you create this sort of twist in your hair. So basically the higher you go, the longer the twist. So this is where we can grab the bobby pins, and you literally just you don't have to open them up, you just twist, grab and push. So you go, so use this, you insert it like this, so this way, and push, and it should feel super secure even just with the two. And then I'm just going to add in a couple more. So that is a twisted ponytail, and then once you can feel that it feels really nice and secure, you can pull some parts of the hair out to give it a bit more of a natural look. And I'm going to go in and put some pals. Tutorial, please let me know in the comments below if there's anything else you would like to see, and if you have not yet subscribed, you can subscribe now, and I will see you next time.